Hello, my name is Dr. Matt Boland with East Shore Medical, and today I want to talk with you a little bit about osteoarthritis of the spine, the hip, and the knee. Osteoarthritis is a very scary word, but what it means is simply the uneven breakdown of a joint. Whenever we have uneven wear and tear or overuse of one joint more than another, we find that the joint is going to degenerate and break down. And that's really all that osteoarthritis is. In our clinic, we get phenomenal results with patients who suffer from osteoarthritis by de-inflaming those joints, relieving the pain, and rehabilitating the muscles around those joints to strengthen them so that they can hold and support their structure. Call the number below or click on the website for a free evaluation to find out if you too can be helped by our phenomenal methods. We look forward to seeing you in the clinic.
I could not stay out of pain unless I raised my right arm above my head, which it just relieved the pain going down my arm. So during my whole convention, of course, I have my hand above my head, which was kind of crazy because people thought I was asking questions all the time. But that was the only way I could take, the pain away. So till I got home, I could not wait to get back in to see Dr. Boland. And at that point, he sent me for the MRI. And, before he started working on me, he said, absolutely, we need to do an x-ray and all of this, stuff. He was very, very professional. So after that, he then got my results of my MRI done, and he got them back in his office, and he wanted to meet with me to go over the results. Well, I went in, and he had the whole page highlighted in yellow. And I'm going, I don't think that's very good. So I was, of course, petrified. And he said that I had lots going on in my discs. I was ruptured, herniated, and protruding from C4 to C7. And, of course, I thought I was like, that was the death wish, And he's like, he calmed me down. He spent lots of time with me. I can remember my son was with me. And my son, I had like crocodile tears because I thought I was going to have surgery right away. And he was just great through the whole thing. He talked to me, he calmed me down. He said, this is our plan of attack. And he said, we're going to start here. We're going to do this for so many weeks. We're going to do adjustments. We're going to do therapy. We're going to see what we can do for you. He said, ultimately, I want to keep you away from surgery. He said, anytime you're doing neck and back, he said, if we can exhaust everything else before we get to that point, great. And he was a miracle worker. I mean, I did spend several months in therapy. I did have some epidural injections. I had some pain injections here at the office, and the whole staff was wonderful through the whole thing. From the therapy to the injections, it was a great experience. I would highly recommend Dr. Boland and his staff, his office, to anybody. Like I said, I had never been to a chiropractor before, and you're kind of hesitant a little bit, but I would come back to him in a heartbeat. And I'm actually thinking about making an adjustment appointment right now. But I've been pretty much pain-free for a year now. And like I said, him and his office were fabulous through the whole thing. And I stay away from surgery. Thanks.